Virtual greetings everyone. Today I am going to start my new topic. Name is multiplication of algebraic expression. It means that how we can multiply two or more algebraic expression. There is one rule for the multiplication of an algebraic expression, and the rule is product of two factors with the like sign. There is one word that is like sign. If we have two factors with the like sign means both the sign will be same. Or you can say positive multiply positive. Product of two factors with like sign is positive. किन्हीं भी दो like sign की जो प्रोडक्ट होगी वो हमेशा क्या होगी? पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव मल्टीप्लाई पॉजिटिव will be equals to positive. And product of two factors with unlike sign. Unlike sign means one sign can be positive or one sign can be negative. So, product of two factors with unlike sign is always negative. These two signs are unlike, so result will be always negative. Second rule is if x is a variable. If x is a variable and m and n are positive integers. If we have one variable x and both the variables are same. If x is a variable and m and n are positive integers. M and n are positive integer, then it will be equals to variable x with the addition of their powers. So x is equals to m plus n. There is one example. We have variable x and positive integers 3 and 5. Variable is x and we can add these powers और इनकी powers को हम क्या करवा देंगे? add. So x raised to power 3 plus 5 it will be equals to x raised to power 8. Now multiplication of two monomials. What do you mean by monomial? As I told you in previous chapter, mono means one and nomial means terms. Multiplication of two monomials. An algebraic expression with a one term. An algebraic expression with one term is known as monomial. Multiplication of two monomials. Suppose we have two monomials. This is an algebraic expression. This is also be an algebraic expression, and when we will take its product of two monomials, there is only one term, so it is called monomial. There is also be in a single term, so 3x is also be a monomial. Product of two monomials. हमारे पास दो monomial given है और हमें इसकी क्या लेनी है? प्रोडक्ट लेनी है. Product of two monomials is always equals to product of their numerical coefficients. In 2x and 3x, there are two coefficients, 2 and 3. Firstly, we will take the product of their numerical coefficient. सबसे पहले हम इनके coefficients की multiply करेंगे. 3 2 6. After that, product of their variable part. Variable is x, so we will write x here. After that, applying the second rule, x is a variable and m and n are positive integers. M and n are positive integers, so we can write x raised to power m plus n. So it will be equals to x raised to power 1 plus 1. So result will be equals to 6x raised to power 2. One more example is minus 7x square multiply minus 3x square. These two factors have the same sign. आपको इनके same sign नजर आ रहे हैं. So sign will be positive and coefficients are 7 and 3. So firstly we will take a product of coefficients. 7 3 21. Now coming on the variables, both the variables are same. Variables भी हमारे पास यहाँ पर क्या है, same है. So we can write x and both the variables have positive coefficients. So power will be add. So result will be equals to 21 x raised to power 4. I hope students you have understood the concept of multiplication of an algebraic expression in case of two monomials. Thank you.